What's up, guys and gals? Today I'm going to show you how to make a cinemagraph using Photoshop. So let's jump right into it. If you haven't already opened up Photoshop, open up Photoshop and let's import our clip by going to File, Import, Video Frames to Layers. This will bring up a dialog box, and what I did was select just the part of the video that I wanted to import. Make sure your timeline is shown by going to Window, Timeline. Now let's make sure our cinemagraph repeats forever by clicking here and selecting Forever. This will make the cinemagraph loop. Now we can select all the frames and select them no delay so there's no time in between each frame. Now we want to select a frame that will be our static image. Duplicate that layer and move it to the top. Now if we play the video, notice how nothing moves. Now what we're going to do is we want to create a layer mask by clicking here and selecting the brush tool with black selected and start painting over the areas that we want to have movement. Now if we play our video, you'll see that just the water is moving. Now we're going to want to export it by going to File, Export, Save for Web. This will bring up a dialog box. You're going to want to select GIF and mess around with the settings to get the best settings for your cinemagraph. Now click Save and you're done. You have created your first cinemagraph.